Welcome to the dynamic world of hotel management, an industry where no 2 days are alike and each day brings new opportunities. Right off the bat, let's talk about the key skills you need: impeccable customer service and organizational skills. Next, the importance of hands-on experience can't be stressed enough. Internships and networking are your golden tickets to make vital industry connections. And remember, in the swiftly evolving landscape of hospitality, continuous learning is essential. Staying updated on industry trends will always keep you one step ahead. As we delve deeper into the secrets of this industry, we'll offer you invaluable tips to climb the ladder of success in hotel management. Whether you're at the start line or midway in your journey, this video is your passport to a rewarding and successful career in hospitality. So, welcome aboard, and let's set sail on this exciting journey together.